Hello, Facebook and YouTube. Tonight on How Hugh, we're going to do a couple of unboxings of some interesting products. I have the Hulkman Alpha 65 and the Hulkman Alpha 85. These are battery jump starters, lithium-ion ones, little short cables. So the 65 is the smaller one. I'm going to put into my tiny car. So I'm not sure. It says it goes up to big engines and everything like that. 18-month battery life, 0 sparks. Not sure how many milliamps that is. Now the big one is 2,000 milliamps. The reason I'm going with the Hulkman is because I tried one at work. I tried the 85, had a really dead truck at work, and this thing worked like a champ. So I tried doing reviews on them on YouTube, and you know, a lot of people show them, a lot of people, but nobody really tests them. I didn't see anything really scientific, like one lasts longer, one really works better in cold. So I went with what I knew worked. So I tried it, it worked. Funny thing about these, I couldn't find the units on Amazon. So I ordered them directly off of the Hulkman website, but they came in Amazon boxes as if they were from an Amazon seller. So I'm not sure if Amazon is trying to product place their favorites and not these. So I don't know what's going on with that. But these ones I've used and they're fantastic. So let's go ahead and we're going to unbox them and weigh them and take a look at them. We'll try them some other time. But so it's, you know, regular old packaging, nice box, got plastic on it. Ah, look at that. Got nuts on me. Connect, ready to go, start your car. So there's the box. Open it up. Comes with some instructions up there, some stickers. Very nice. Comes with the unit. I have a hard time getting packaging off sometimes. Maybe that's because I'm old. I don't know. So there's the unit right there. Looks like it has a little protective cover on it that I always leave on. Open up the rest of it. There's a charger and a plug. There's the jumper portion. So when you use these, it's pretty straightforward. If I could figure out how to open it without breaking it. I'm terrible at opening things. It opens up, hinges towards the bottom. It tricks you. So it hinges like that. Okay. These have a little protective piece on it, and it looks like they should only go one way, and they do. So one of the connectors has a square end on it. Don't know if you can tell it. So anyways, goes just like that. One side to your positive, one side to your negative. There's a little thing in there. If you press on a button, what does that do? I don't know what that does. So you press this top button, it's 82% charge. See if you can see that. It has some instructions on the back, what to do. So you have to read those. I haven't read them yet. So it says it'll make a battery. A flashlight. Wonder how that does. So I wonder if you take these out, close it up, press the flashlight. And not quite, there we go. has a flashlight button. Better than nothing. Press the button. Does a bunch of stuff. How about just turn off? There we go. Drop down to 79%. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh this one. So I got my scale right here. The Hulkman 65 weighs 1 pound, 9 ounces. So it's not terribly heavy, it's not terribly big. It should do the job. So let's find out which of these is for the 65. And believe it or not, it's the bigger of the two boxes. Isn't that crazy? So let's open this up. This should be the carrying case for it. I like carrying cases. So it's got the same kind of plastic on it. These ship separately. So one day I got the two cases. The next couple days later I got the 2 units. There we go. Comes in a box like that. Have to figure out how to tear this stuff off without damaging it. Oh, look at that. It's kind of like, feels like what a lot of headphones come in. Some kind of plastic that almost feels paper almost. So, looks like it has 2 sides in it. Has a little one right here. The little section shaped like that is right there. It's for the charge cord and stuff. The other section shaped like that. It's for the battery clips. Okay. There's got to be, it says to roll them towards the center. Let's see if that really works. It does. Look at that. How fancy. That closes like that. This goes in like that. No fuss, no muss. Closes like that. And a nice little carrying case. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this up all the way, and that'll go in my smaller car. So the other one is the big boy for my truck. So I'm thinking it should be pretty much identical except for the weight. And since I know how to open it now, I'm not going to let it fool me. But it probably still will give me a hard time. I have the hardest time. I have a hard time opening stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that comes off of there. Open the box. Looks like we got more instructions, more stickers. Looks quite similar. Got a bigger one. So this one's the 85. They make one that's even bigger than this. And they also make one that's for using in minus 40 degree temperatures. I didn't feel like spending the extra $50 to get the one that works at minus 40 degrees. If I'm out in minus 40 degrees, I got bigger problems. So let's see how much this one weighs. I'm thinking probably closer to 2.5 pounds. That sucker's pretty heavy. Not quite. 2 pounds, 1.4 ounces. So a little over 2 pounds on the 85. And I'm thinking it should have quite a few of the same things inside. Should be, oh, look, there's different stuff in it. So look at this, okay? So it's got battery clips that look to be even heavier duty. Comes with a bigger power supply to charge it, or a bigger transformer. Comes with USB cord. And look at that, it comes with an adapter that looks like you should be able to come off of this thing somewhere. Oh, you know what? I wonder if the other one has this too. So it may. So I'll have to look. And I'm probably trying to hinge it the wrong way again. I'm gonna have to read the instructions on how to open this. But it looks like there's a Type-C USB DC on there, something like that. I'll have to see if the other one has it too. If I press it, what happens? Nothing. Ah, there we go. This one's also at 82%. Plugs in the same way. I need to figure out how to open that thing up. Wonder if that's in the instructions. I'll look at the instructions real quick. You know, instructions come in handy. I should probably look at them sooner. Okay, there we go. Stickers. Hulkman 85, 1 year extended warranty. Instruction booklet. Oh man, it's in Chinese. And some other language. Ah, there we go. So it says that thing just pops out in the pictures in the German section. It says this thing just pops out. So you know what? It doesn't pop out, but it does pop down. So it looks like there's a USB charger, a USB output, and some other kind of output. It says, I don't know, IN or something like that. It's a little tiny one. And then it has one of these outputs, so you can run that. So, looks like not only, I'll have to check that other one too. At least on the big one, it's not only a jump starter, it's a giant auxiliary battery pack for if stuff gets bad. So, there's going to be another case that's going to be similar to this. And anyways, those are the Hulkman 65 and 85. Now this makes it look like 8.5. So I wonder if that really is. I wonder if it's really a 6.5 and an 8.5. This says 85. Funny, that says 8.5. Interesting. I think it's the same thing, but these are them. If I ever have to pull it out and try it, I'll let you know. Okay, out.